We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works.
Hey guys, Aspen Rolling Nature. Just been on a little hike with my Air 2. The weather was really beautiful today, but of course, stupid me, I forgot my SD card to the drone. But luckily it has onboard storage, but 8 gigabytes is not much at all. But I got some shots, so yeah, we will see. And I'll try to shoot a little bit with my old Sony camera, the 10-year-old DSLR camera. So it'll be fun to see how the footage is on that one. I'm shooting this with my Osmo Action. Not the best vlogging camera, but and the audio is pretty crappy. I have an external mic for it, but I don't have the case, so that's not good. But the footage is not bad on this camera. So yeah, I've been on a little hike and I forgot my SD card, like I said, so yeah. So I really hope you enjoy my content. For the first time now I'm gonna do some editing in Premiere Pro. It's gonna be fun to see how that is. I tried it a few times, but not much. I'm not a professional editor, just trying out different kind of programs. I used Filmora 9 and I used DaVinci Resolve and Cyberlink Power Director, and all of them are good programs. DaVinci Resolve especially for the color grading, and I'm filming everything in DCN because I like to put on some color. The reason why I will try Adobe is just because I like the way it's set up. I like the windows, whoops, and all of the options you have. And I think it's pretty powerful. It's too expensive. I'm trying now first a free trial just to see if I like it, and it looks quite good. But DaVinci Resolve is probably as good as that one, maybe better. Shit, it's easy to go hiking and filming. Yeah, but like I said, I like the way Adobe Premiere Pro is laid out. I like the page, and so I'm gonna try Adobe this time and see. So really hope you enjoy the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
like this. I like this.